Hello, good evening students. Welcome to all to Chakravyuh series class 14. So today we are going to discuss the MCQs from the chapter Amines. Okay. So good evening Pradeep. Good evening Pradeep. So I hope that you would have prepared this chapter, and today we are going to solve almost 70 plus questions from this particular chapter. Okay. So now let's wait for some time and let's see how many of you can come. Okay, so good evening Aryan, good evening. Okay, let's start. Okay, we have a lot of questions to do and we should start on time. So as always, we'll go from the last questions. Okay, so yes. So students, before that, hi Ali, hi Pradeep. Yes, good evening to all of you, good evening. So you can see the question here. Okay, so okay, just a minute students. Okay, 1 minute. The first question is already on your screen. Please try to answer that. I have some issues. Yes, please. Hi Sanjana, hi, good evening. Yes, the first question is already on the screen. Without wasting any time, please comment down your answers. So Pradeep, he is already here. Which of the following compounds undergo azo-coupling reactions with benzene disonium chloride? Yes, we know the reaction. So if you have benzene disonium chloride, okay, and you have this one, okay, so there will be one coupling here, right? This two bond will go, okay, and what we will get here, the product formed here is right. So yes, 70C all of you have. So all of you students, hi Pradeep, Radhika, Kavita, Creative Crafts, Craft, Jyotika, Sanjana, Vinu, Meaningful, all of you, very good evening to all of you. And yes, both A and B is the correct answer. Okay, so if you put here phenol and if you put here NH2, in both the case the reaction will take place. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Can you answer this one? This is little tricky question. Yes. Question number 16 is, one reaction is given to you and above reaction is known as. So this is a name reaction. Okay, so the options given below are your Woods reaction, Sandmeyer reaction, Swartz reaction and Stephen's reaction. Tell me what is the correct answer for this particular question. Hi Shagufta, hello. Vinu, hi. Yes. Yes, can you answer this one? Very easy question, right students? So students, today is 31st January, right, and we are just left with 28 days for our board exams. So just also comment down and tell me how is your preparation going on, and especially how is your chemistry preparation going on, and is there anything that we can do for your PU2 chemistry preparation? That also you can let me know. I will definitely try to do all those things. Okay, 69 is B, Sandmeyer reaction. Very good. Yes. Yes, all of you are correct here. Pradeep is first. Again, meaning Aryan meaningful Aryan, Shagufta, Pooja, Radhika, Shokatali. Moving towards the next question, that is 60. Here there's a numbering problem. Again, you can put 69. This one. Para-hydroxy azobenzene is prepared by the coupling of phenol and. Very simple question. Just now we have solved this question. Pradeep, I have already made a video on all name reactions in one shot. I will be providing you the link in that. You can find all the name reactions in one shot. That is there in the Brahmastra series. We have already done that video. Yes. Okay. Yes, so this is 69 only students. This is question number 69. The last question was wrong. It has to be 71 actually. Okay, so we have benzene disonium chloride. Just now I discussed the mechanism, right? Yes. All of you are correct here. Again, I can find, moving to next question number 68. Disonium salt is obtained when aniline reacts with. When do we get disonium salt? Can you tell me? When is disonium salt produced? Diazonium salt is produced on reaction of cold NaOH. Then you have NaNO2 and HCl, SnCl2, N2O. What will be the answer here? 68. Yes, B. NaNO2 and HCl at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, or you can also write it as HNO2. Okay, this can also be given in the question, so do not get confused here. Okay, fine. Moving to the next question. Primary amines can be distinguished from secondary and tertiary amines by reacting with. Okay, so what is the way how you can differentiate between primary, secondary and tertiary amines within very easy, like the differences between primary versus secondary and tertiary. What should be there? Chloroform and alcoholic KOH, methyl iodide, chloroform alone, zinc dust. Yes, students, please answer this question. This is also very easy. Yes, Radhika is first here. Radhika A, Pradeep C, Vinu A. Yes, C. So I am getting A and C confused answer. There is A and C. A and C. Yes, it is A. Okay, only chloroform will not work. Chloroform and alcoholic KOH should be taken. And can you tell me the name of this test? What is the name of this test? What will be the product formed? Yes, Pradeep, it is correct. Carbyl amine reaction. And what is the product formed here? What is the product formed in this reaction? This name reaction is correct. That is carbyl amine reaction. Carbyl amine reaction, right? What is the product formed in this one? Yes, carbyl amine test is the correct answer. Can you tell me the product formed in this reaction? What is the product formed here? Yes. Let me see how many of you are answering the product. Yes, isocyanide is product here. Shivani, Radhika, Sanjana, Vinu, all of you have answered. The product here is isocyanide. Okay, next question. In the reaction RNH2 plus NaNO2HCl gives ROH plus H2O plus A. A is what? What is A here? Good evening, Aman. Good evening. Yes, Yati and Shokatali, both of you are correct. Yes, tell me what will be the answer of this question? Do you know? Yes, anyone? 66B. Yes, very good. Again, Shivani this time. Well done, Shivani. So it is N2 gas. Okay. So remember, if you have, I can say like NO2 here, and if you treat it with HNO2, you will get N2 plus and Cl minus. But if you have any like this NO2, and if you treat it with HNO2, you will get, okay, it's a very important difference, so please keep it in mind. Yes, 66B is the correct answer. 65. The compound obtained by heating a mixture of primary aliphatic amine and chloroform with ethanolic potassium hydroxide is. Just now we have discussed this question. Very easy question. This is very easy question. What will be the product here? Okay, so it is alkyl cyanide, a nitro compound, alkyl isocyanide and one amide group. What will be the product here? Just now we have discussed. Very simple question. Good evening, Anup. Good evening. 65 is C. Yes, an alkyl isocyanide. Okay, just now we have discussed. You will get a product RCN. The name of the test is carbyl amine test. Okay, and what happens here? You get a foul smell. Okay, next question number 64. Which of the following factors affect the basic strength? Inductive effect, steric hindrance, solvation effect, solubility in organic solvents. Which of the factor affects the Yes, all of you are correct here. So Aryan, Shivani, meaningful. Yes, students, you can like the channel, like the video. If you are liking it, you can click on the heart button there in your comment section. Okay. Next, let's see. Okay. What will be the factors affecting the basic strength? Inductive effect, steric hindrance, solvation effect, solubility in organic solvents. Any, you have options 1 and 4, 1, 2 and 3, 2 and 3 and 2 and 4. Thank you Pradeep, thank you. Yes, Manthan B, 64B. Yes, so I have got here so many 64 have been answered. 1, 2 and 3 is the correct answer. Okay. Next, 63. Substitution of one alkyl group by replacing the hydrogen of primary amine. So if you see that you have primary amines, this is primary amines, right? And substitution of one alkyl group by replacing the hydrogen of primary amines. If you replace this one with one R group, then what will happen to the basic strength? Increases the basic strength, decreases the base strength, remains the same, none of the above. Yes, what will happen to the basic strength? 63A, who has answered this one? Shivani. Anup has given 63A, Manthan C, Gauri B, Shivani B, Radhika B, Pradeep A. So students, see how is the basic strength of an amine is defined. You have lone pair of electrons, right? Now this lone pair of electrons will be donated. So donation will be causing your basic strength. Now if you have one R group, these R groups have what? Plus I effect. Means what? They will donate the electrons to the nitrogen. So if you have one R group, there will be, this one will donate, so more electron density increases. If you have two R groups, then it will donate also and the electron density increases. When the electron density increases, then the donation capability will also increase. So that is why if you replace one of the hydrogen with R group, the basic strength will increase. Okay. Aryan is asking something, 1 second. 65. Yes, sorry, this is RNC. Yes, Aryan, you are correct. By mistake I wrote, it is RNC. Okay. Next question number 62. Aliphatic amines are dash basic than NH3, but aromatic amines are dash basic than NH3. So there is a comparison between aliphatic amines and NH3, and you have aromatic and aromatic amines and NH3. So now see, in case of R group, so if you have R amine, right, so what will happen? This one will donate electrons, so increase in electron density, basicity will increase. So that is why this is more. Okay. Now in case of aromatic amines, what happens? You have this NH2 group, right? So in NH2 group, this lone pair of electrons is involved in resonance. If it is involved in resonance, it is not available for donation. Not available for donation. Why? Because it is involved in resonance within the ring. So that is why in case this is less and this is more. Okay, so option number A is the correct answer. Yes, all of you are correct here. Moving to next question number 61. The correct order of increasing order of the basic strength of the following amines. Okay, so yeah, so here there is nothing. I'll just hide it so that you don't get confused. Why is it not working? One second. Okay. Now try this question. The correct order of basic strength. So basic strength you should know. Electron donating group will increase the basicity, electron withdrawing group will decrease the basicity, right? Now if I see here that NO2 group is a electron withdrawing group and CH3 is a electron donating group. So CH3 will increase the basicity, right? So 3 will have the highest basicity. You can see there's only one option with 3 highest group, right? So that is why it's the answer here will be option number D. Okay, 61, I don't know why you are getting different answers here. Why A is there? Increasing order. Increasing order means what? The one which is least basic will come first. Now here we have electron withdrawing group. This will withdraw the electrons, right? So that means NH2 group will have less electrons to donate. So basicity will decrease here. Basicity will decrease here. So this one will be least. So 2 will come, that the least one. Then here there is no group. So it is neutral. Then 1. And here we have a donating group. It will donate electrons and nitrogen will have more electrons to donate. So that is why it is 3. 2, 1, 3. Option number D. 61 is the D is the correct answer. All of you please tell me if it is clear or not. 61 D is the answer. Why there is confusion? Do you want me to explain this question again? See, if there is electron donating group, it will donate electrons. Nitrogen will have more electrons, it can donate. That is what is called as basicity. If you have electron withdrawing group, okay, if you have electron withdrawing group, it will pull the electrons, nitrogen will have less electrons, so donation will be difficult, basicity will decrease. So that is why electron 2 will be the first one, then 1 and then 3. All of you please note down this question. I got so many wrong answers here, so many wrong answers you have answered. So please note down this question, take a screenshot of this question. Moving forward to question number 60. Aniline is less soluble in water than ethylamine. So there is a comparison between aniline, okay, in the solubility of water, aniline, and you have ethylamine. Solubility in water, just now we discussed regarding this, right? What will be, which is more, so this is already said that aniline is less soluble, okay, less soluble. Why? Okay, why will this be less soluble? Can you tell? Resonance stabilization of benzene ring, there is nothing related to resonance and solubility, right? Resonance stabilization of anilium ion, more hydrophobic nature of C6H5 group than C2H5 group, more hydrophobic nature of C2H5 group than C6H5 group. 60. Yes, meaningful has given correct answer here. Radhika is given wrong answer. Gauri has given correct answer. It is C. Now see, we have something very solubility. Solubility is inversely proportional to, I can say, size. Okay. If size is big, solubility will be less. If size is less, solubility will be more. Now here you see this carbon is just having, this compound is having just 2 carbon and this compound is having 6 carbon. This is a bigger molecule. So if size increases, solubility will decrease. So that is why, or we can say size or hydrophobic part. Okay, so because in aniline the hydrophobic part is more, solubility is less. Okay, option number C is the correct answer. This question also I have got some wrong answers. All of you take a screenshot of this. Next, question number 59. This is little confusing question. You have both Sandmeyer and Getterman in the option. So be very careful and answer this one. You have taken Cu and HCl. You have taken Cu and HCl. What is the correct answer for this question? Yes, you have Sandmeyer option, Getterman option, HVZ reaction, carbyl-amine reaction. Yes, Getterman is the correct answer. Getterman is the correct answer here. Okay. Yes, all of you are correct. Yes, very good students. You are doing very good. So students, please give yourself marks. Okay, at the end of that session I want all of you to tell me how much marks you have got out of 71. Okay, we have done with 71 questions, so I want your marks for all of them. Next, Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction is shown by which of the following compounds will give you Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction? ArNH2, ArCONH2, ArNO2, ArCH2NH2. So it is like these compounds are like this. You have ArNH2. Okay, this is option number A. So Ar stands for benzene ring. Okay, this is what benzene ring is represented with. So what will be the answer here? Yes, 58 is B, correct answer from Pradeep, Shivani, Meaningful, Sanjana, ArCONH2. Okay, so if you use ArCONH2 and if you treat it with bromine and KOH, what will happen? This Hoffman bromamide degradation, this part will go out and you will get NH2. Okay, clear? Okay, next 57. Which of the following reagents would not be, this is very important to read, would not be a good choice for reducing an aryl nitro compounds to amines? Yes, so you have aryl nitro compounds. Okay, you have aryl nitro compounds and you want to reduce it to amine. So which of this is not a good reagent? Not be a good choice. Very simple question. Yes. 57. Nobody has answered yet. Why, students? Check your, if you have any doubt, keep your NCERT book with yourself, check the answer and tell me, okay? Not a good choice. Check your NCERT book, how to convert NO2 to NH2 group. Okay, I didn't find any answers. Let me answer it for you. This answer will be LiLH4 in ether. Okay, LiLH4 in ether is not a good choice to convert what? Aryl nitro compounds. For aryl nitro compounds, LiAlH4 cannot be used. Okay, please remember, yes. Okay, so please note down this question, all of you students. I didn't find anyone answering this question, so that means this question none of you would have studied, right? So please take a screenshot of this question and keep it. Okay, let's move to the next question, that is 56. I think I'm lagging maybe. Okay, sorry students, all of you have answered. I think there was some network connection and I was not getting your answers. Okay, now going to 56th question. Okay, which of the following compounds can be prepared in good yield by Gabriel phthalimide synthesis? Can be prepared in good yield. Here you have primary amine, here you have secondary amine, here you have amide, and here you have aryl amine. In good yield, which of the following can be prepared in good yield? Yes, 56A, primary amine is the correct answer. Okay, primary amines can be synthesized in good yield. Next, a primary amine is formed by an amide on treatment with bromine and alkali. The primary amine has. So what we have got? You have one amide. Okay, and then it is treated with bromine and alkali, and this will give you primary amine. So it is talking about the number of carbons. Yes, one carbon atom less than the amide, because this carbon is removed, or you can say this carbon is like expelled out. So we will get option number A here. Yes students, very good. Let's go to next question, that is 54. An alkyl or benzyl halide on reaction with an ethanolic solution of ammonia undergoes. So you have one alkyl or benzyl halide. So you have RX and it is on reacting with ethanolic solution of ammonia. So generally it is like ammonia reaction. So what type of reaction is this? What type of reaction is this? So is it a electrophilic substitution reaction? Is it a nucleophilic substitution reaction? Is it a free radical substitution or nucleophilic addition reaction? Now see here what exactly happens. This is delta minus, this is delta plus, right? And here we have lone pair, so this one will attack here, right? So what we get? We get R NH2 plus HX, right? So here what is happening? A nucleophile is attacking on a electrophile. So on replacing this, X is replaced with NH2 group. So this is a substitution reaction. Now because this is a nucleophile, right? A nucleophile is substituted here. So it is called as nucleophilic substitution reaction. Students, no. Please correct this answer. All of you have given wrong here. An alkyl or benzyl halide on reaction with an ethanolic solution of ammonium undergoes what type of reaction? It is not electrophilic substitution reaction. You see, this is a nucleophile, right? It attacks on this one. So what will happen? This is a electrophile, like how we do in nucleo. Suppose you have R and U, SN, SN1 or SN2 you talk. This attacks here, this goes out, right? Students, please tell me any doubt in this question. Let me know. All of you have given wrong answer in this question. So please do a screenshot, take a screenshot of this one and tell me if this concept is clear or not. This is a nucleophile. It is substituting the halide group, right? So this nucleophile has substituted here. So it is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Let me know. I will move forward. If you have any doubt, tell me. Yes. So students, please answer me. If you have doubt, I will explain. Okay, let's go to the next question. Gabriel phthalimide synthesis is used for the preparation of, very easy question. We have done this one. Used for the preparation of primary aromatic amines, secondary amines, primary aliphatic amines and tertiary amines. This is direct question. Okay, Sanjana, Gauri and Pradeep. Yes, Lakshmi, that's good. All of you have understood. But please take a screenshot of this question. You should note down these questions which you are getting wrong. And at the end, you will tell me your score as well. Okay. So, yes, this is correct. Primary aliphatic amines. Okay. Gabriel phthalimide, you can use primary aliphatic amines. Next, propionamide on Hoffman degradation gives you what? Propionamide on Hoffman degradation will give you what? Methylamine, ethylamine, propylamine and ethyl cyanide. You remember, one carbon less. So what will be the product here? Anisha has a question here. 54, why is not D? Anisha, for addition reaction, I think option number D was the addition reaction, right? 1 second. Yes, addition reaction. So addition reaction takes place when you have double bond. Anisha, listen. Addition reaction is always when you have a double bond and you add something to that. There is a pi bond breaking. Like for example, if you have ethene and you add hydrogen to that, ethane forms, right? That is an addition reaction. When there is no double bond, we won't get addition reaction. Okay. Okay, 52 is B, ethylamine. All of you are correct. Here there is 3 carbon and that is why here it has to be 2 carbon. Next, the general formula of the quaternary ammonium compounds are. Quaternary ammonium compounds. What is the general formula for that? General formula for quaternary ammonium compounds. Yes. Quaternary ammonium compounds general formula. Yes, Aryan, Pradeep, both of you are correct. Sanjana V is correct. R4N plus X minus. Okay. Yes, all of you are correct here. Moving to next question. What is the IUPAC name of the given compound? Okay, so you have to tell me the IUPAC name of this compound. So very easy, I think. You have 2-methyl, 4-hexanamine, 5-methyl-3-hexanamine, 2-methyl-4-aminohexane, 5-methyl-3-aminohexane. So all the possibilities are given to confuse you. Yes. Manjula, Anisha, please give your answers with question number, okay, so that I can know you are answering to which question. Yes, Pradeep has given question 450. So 5-methyl-3-hexanamine is the correct answer. You have to number from this side the functional group. Carbon containing the functional group should get the least number, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. On the 5th carbon we have methyl group, so that is why 5-methyl. Then we have hexane 3-amine, okay, so that is why option number B is the correct answer here, okay. Yes. Radhika, no, aminohexane is not used. If NH2 is the primary functional group, then the suffix should be amine, okay, so that is why it is B. Next, 49. Which of the following is not a primary amine? This is a very tricky question, I feel. Let me see how many of you are answering it correctly. Which of the following is not a primary amine? Tert-butylamine, sec-butylamine, isobutylamine and dimethylamine. Very, very tricky and important question. Please mark this question important. The options are really given in a tricky way to confuse all of you. Tert-butylamine, sec-butylamine, isobutylamine and dimethylamine. Hi GS Jogur. Hello, good evening. Welcome to the session. Yes, I knew all of you will do wrong in this question. Gauri, Aryan, both of you are wrong. Radhika is also wrong. Tert-butylamine. What is tert-butylamine? Structure is like this. This is tert-butylamine. Isn't it a primary amine? Primary amine means what? The nitrogen should be attached to one carbon. That is primary amine. It is also primary amine. Sec-butylamine. Sec-butylamine. This is sec-butylamine. This is also primary amine. Isobutylamine. This is isobutylamine. This is also primary amine. Yes, dimethylamine, if you see, dimethylamine is like this, right? So here you see nitrogen is attached to two carbons. So this is a secondary amine. It is not a primary amine. So the correct answer here is option number D. I knew this one many of you will do wrong. Yes. Yes, this was a tricky question. Yes or no? And you got confused in this. Yes. So dimethylamine is the correct answer, and those students who have answered it correctly is Manthan and Gauri, Lakshmi and Shaukatali. Okay, let's move forward. 48th question. What is a secondary amine? A secondary amine is a compound with two carbon atoms and one NH2 group. So it is means two carbon atoms and one NH2 group. A compound containing two NH2 groups. A compound containing two NH2 groups. A compound in which hydrogens of NH3 have been replaced by two alkyl groups. A compound with an NH2 group on carbon atom in number 2 position. Yes, Pradeep, yes. Okay. Manthan, please answer with question number, but I am not able to know which question you are answering. Please put the question number. 48C is the correct answer. A compound in which the hydrogens of NH3 have been replaced by two alkyl groups. Means a compound in which the hydrogens of amine, so we have NH3, three H groups are there, have been replaced by two alkyl groups. Means this is one alkyl group, this is one alkyl group. Okay? Yes. Next, 47. The shape of CH3 is pyramidal because. Why is this shape pyramidal? Nitrogen forms 3 sp3 hybridized sigma bonds with carbon atoms of methyl groups, and there is one non-bonding electron pair. Okay. The nitrogen forms 3 sp2 two hybridized sigma bond with carbon atoms of methyl groups and a fourth orbital forms pi bond. Nitrogen forms 5 valence orbitals are arranged in pyramidal shape. The unpaired electrons present on the nitrogen is delocalized. Okay, this is very simple question. Yes, Pradeep has answered it correctly. 47A, nitrogen forms, right? If you see nitrogen, its valency is like 1s2, 2s2, then we have 2p3, right? So now what happens here? It is like 2s2 is there. One second, let me write it here. Just a minute. Yes. So we have nitrogen 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3. So this is like this. Okay. Now what happens? This sp3 orbitals undergo hybridization to give you what? To give you 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. Okay, 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. In that, this is the lone pair of nitrogen, and the other 3 it is like hydrogen. Nitrogen 1 electrons are present and hydrogen 1 electrons are present, which undergo hybridization. So nitrogen forms 3 sp3 hybrid orbitals with sigma bonds with carbon atoms of, and there is one non-bonding electron pair. Okay, so option number A. Next question number 46. Nitrogen atom of amino group is sp. Yes, 47A is correct. All of you have answered it correctly. The nitrogen atom of amino group is. So if you have nitrogen atom of amino group, what is the hybridization? Just now we have answered. Very simple question. Yes, sp3. Yes, just now we answered, right? Just now we have discussed sp3 hybridized. All of you are correct here. 45. Solubility of ethyl amine in water is due to. Solubility of ethyl amine, that is CH3, CH2 and H2. Solubility of ethyl amine in water is due to low molecular weight, ethyl group present in ethyl alcohol, formation of hydrogen bonding with water being the derivative of ammonia. This is very simple question. So whenever it is asked about solubility or high melting point, high boiling point, especially in organic compounds, it is always due to hydrogen bonding. Okay. No, Pradeep is wrong here. Yes, always whenever it is talked about solubility, okay, it is always due to hydrogen bonding. Okay, so that is option number C. Okay, now when it is compared, why the solubility of one is more, one is less. Now for example, the question is like secondary amine is given and primary amine is given. Now the question is why secondary amine is less soluble than primary amine. Answer can be due to the due to the high molecular weight or the high hydrophobic part. But when it is asked about only one compound, why is ethylamine soluble in water? It is always due to hydrogen bonding. Okay, it is always due to hydrogen bonding. Clear? So now moving to the next question number 44. Okay. The basic character of ethyl amines in aqueous phase is. This is a tricky question. This is a tricky question here. You have to tell the basic character of ethyl amines in aqueous phase. Okay, so you have ethyl amine. Okay, so you have to tell 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree ammonia, 2 degree, 3 degree, 1 degree ammonia. Then you have 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree ammonia, and none of this. Yes, anyone can guess this one? This is very important question. 44 is B. Yes, those have answered B. Lakshmi, Pradeep, Radhika, you are correct. It is B. So remember, in aqueous phase, the order is 2 degree, 3 degree, 1 degree for what? Ethyl group. Okay, and it is 2 degree, 1 degree and 3 degree for methyl group. Okay, this is clear. Now coming to what is that I was in gaseous phase. I want to discuss about gaseous phase. It is 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree. Okay, so B is the correct answer here. Yes, all of you have answered it correctly. 43. Which of the following can exist as Zwitter ion? This is very important question. Which of the following can exist as Zwitter ion? All of we know what is Zwitter ion, right? In Zwitter ion, what we have? In Zwitter ion, we have one carbon. You have like one, means Zwitter ion is actually, I'll say, a dipolar neutral compound. Means it is having both positive charge and negative charge, okay, but it is a, yes, 43, those who have answered D is correct answer. So it is sulfonilic acid. So how? See, in sulfonilic acid you have, right, and you have NH2 group. So what happens? This one releases H plus, okay, and this H plus is taken by this one and you get NH3 plus. So one plus charge and one minus charge on the same compound will give you a Zwitter ion. Option number D is the correct answer. 42. Nitration of aniline is carried out after acylation because. Why? Whenever we do nitration of aniline, we first acylate, right? We protect the NH2 group. What is the reason for that? Acylation deactivates the NH2 group. Oxidation can be prevented. Ortho and para products are obtained in good yield. All of these. Yes. What can be the answer in this question? Please read all the options correctly. Aryan has given 42C, Manthan has given 42D, Pradeep has given A, Sanjana has given A. Yes, so here I'll say Manthan is correct. Okay, it is because all of this, see, if you directly do nitration of aniline, you will get, if you get, directly if you do, yes, if you do not do acylation, what will happen? You will get ortho, para, all the products, all of them will be done at the same time, right? But we do not want that. We will get ortho and para products in good yield. Oxidation can also be prevented because now NH2 group is not there. Then acylation can also deactivate the NH2 group. So this is all of the above, that is option number D. Yes, yes. D is the correct answer here. Okay. Next. Amongst the following, the strongest base in aqueous medium. Very, very important question. Strongest base in aqueous medium. Okay. So it is CH3NH2, CH3 whole 3N, CH3 whole 2NH, C6H5NH2. Okay. So which is the strongest base? Strongest base will be what here? CH3NH2, CH3 whole 3N, CH3 whole 2NH, C6H5NH2. Yes, 41C, that is correct, option number. So you know, even for it is always 2 degree, 3 degree, 1 degree, or it is 2 degree, 1 degree, 3 degree, right? So this is for ethyl group and this is for methyl group. Now whether it is ethyl or methyl, 2 degree are always the strongest base, so that is why option number C. Okay. Next question, IUPAC name of the given compound. IUPAC name of the given compound. It is N, CH3, CH3, CH3. IUPAC name of the given compound. Can you guess this one? You have methanamine, you have NN dimethyl methanamine, N-methylamine and ethylamine. 40B. Yes, Sanjana is correct here. 40B. NN. So you have two groups, right? So total N-methyl, N-methyl. So that is like NN dimethyl and this part is methanamine. Okay. Yes, all of you are correct. B is the correct answer. Next, methylamine is a stronger base than aniline due to. So there is a comparison between methylamine, okay, and aniline. Okay, methylamine is a stronger base than aniline due to. This is very tricky question again. Yes, plus I effect. Okay, so methylamine has plus I effect, so it donate electrons. The electron, I can say the electron density of nitrogen increases here, so that is why it can donate electron better. So that is why it is plus I effect. Okay. Next, coming to 38, carbyl amine reaction is answered by. We have already discussed questions on carbyl amine reaction, right? It is answered by what? Phenols, aldehydes, primary amines or secondary amines. Carbyl amine reaction, the one in which we get isocyanide and that produces a foul smell. Reagent used for this is CHCl3 and KOH. So which will be? Yes, primary amine is correct answer here. Yes. So here I think Rocky has a doubt, difference B and C. Let's go to the previous question. B and C. See, Rocky, plus R effect is when you have conjugation. Okay, means you have one double bond, you have single bond, double bond, single bond. Conjugation is there, that is plus R effect. And plus I effect means only through the sigma bonds. There is no involvement of pi bonds there. Okay. Fine. Now let's go to 37. Hinsberg reagent is. This is also little tricky question. Hinsberg reagent is benzene sulfuryl chloride, chlorobenzene, benzene sulfonyl chloride, benzene carbonyl chloride. Which is your Hinsberg reagent? This is also used as a test to differentiate between 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree, right? This is a very important 5-marker question as well. Yes, so let us answer this one. Yes, benzene sulfonyl chloride is the correct answer. If you remember, the structure is like this. Okay. Now moving to question number 36, benzene disonium chloride on hydrolysis will give you. So if you have benzene disonium chloride and you do hydrolysis, what will be the product here? Yes, students, tell me this one. You will get phenol and N2, or you will get ethyl benzene, you will get disonium salt, or you will get phenol. What will be the correct answer here? You have benzene disonium chloride, okay, benzene disonium chloride, and you are doing hydrolysis, means breaking it with the presence of what I'll say, H2O. Yes, phenol and N2 is the correct answer here. Yes, all of you are correct. Gauri, Shaukatali, Aryan, Sanjana, Lakshmi, Radhika, Amit, Chandan, all of you are correct. Let's move to 35 question. The product formed when aniline is treated with NaNO2 and dry HCl, that is nitrous acid, at 273 and 278 Kelvin. Very simple question, very simple question. When aniline, you have aniline, okay, and it is treated with NaNO2 and dry HCl. What is the product formed here? 35, yes, C, all of you are correct here. Benzene disonium chloride. Yes, Aryan, Pradeep, Sanjana, Gauri, Radhika, Lakshmi, Shaukatali, Amit, Manthan, all are correct. Very good. Let's move to the next question. Ethylamine when treated with nitrous acid gives. Yes, this is also very important. Ethylamine, important question, mark it. Ethylamine is there. Ethylamine when treated with nitrous acid will give you what? Yes, Aryan is correct here. Aryan has already given the answer. Yes, Aryan, Gauri, Radhika, Pradeep all are correct. Ethyl alcohol will be the product here. We will get CH3, CH2OH. Okay, let's move to the next question, 33. Which amine will not precipitate when treated with benzene sulfonyl chloride or Hinsberg reagent? Okay, so this is, as I told you, it is a test to determine. So is it primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine or quaternary ammonium salt? Which amine will not precipitate when treated with benzene sulfonyl chloride? Question is here, which will not precipitate? Yes, I can find answer C here. Yes, there will be no reaction in case of tertiary amines, right? So option number C here is the correct answer. Okay, fine. Next, moving to question number 32. The amines which cannot be prepared by Gabriel phthalimide synthesis is? Okay, next question, the amine which cannot be prepared by Gabriel phthalimide synthesis is? Yes, we can synthesize only primary amines, so it is option number C. Okay. Okay. Moving to question number 31. The gas liberated when ethyl amine reacted with HNO2 at low temperature is? The gas liberated when ethyl amine reacted with HNO2 at low temperature. This is also very easy question. Okay, so Pradeep has a valid point here. Primary amines is completely soluble. No precipitate, right? In case of tertiary amines, they won't react at all. Okay, yes, Pradeep, that is also correct. Okay, question number that one I will check and inform in the pinned comment section. Okay, I'll check once again and what the question actually wants to ask, and I will answer it. Okay, Pradeep. Okay, but yes, your point is also correct. It is asking which of the following will not precipitate. Okay, so primary will get soluble, secondary will form precipitate, tertiary will not react at all. Okay, fine Pradeep, I will check it once again. Okay, 31 is B, correct answer, option number B, that is N2 gas. Okay. Okay, next question number 30. The coupling reaction is a type of dash reaction. Yes, this is also again important question. Coupling reaction. You have N2 plus Cl minus, okay. Then here you have OH. This part attacks on this one. This is an electrophilic position, right? So what is the answer here? No, no, yes, B is the correct answer, electrophilic substitution. Now see what happens here. This, if this O would have attacked, okay, if this O would have attacked on this one, then it is nucleophilic substitution. But what happens, this part attacks on this electrophilic position of the carbon. So that is why this is a electrophilic substitution reaction. Yes, B is the correct answer. not addition. Addition, see here, this, okay, listen here, this double bond attacks, one second, see, this bond attacks here, this one goes out, right? So what is formed here? You get like this one is there, okay. So now this carbon was having one hydrogen, this carbon was having one hydrogen, right? So this is there, okay. Now suppose here one plus charge is formed, okay. Now what will happen? Again this one will come and this plus charge is restored, or you can say the double aromaticity is restored. So that is why it is not a addition reaction, not addition reaction. Addition reaction is when the double bond is added, like to the double bond you are adding something, that double bond will no more there in the final product, but in the final product again here double bond is there, right? So that is not an addition reaction, it's an electrophilic substitution reaction, okay. Next, moving to the previous question, 29. In reactions of disonium salts involving the displacement of disonium group, the nitrogen escapes as precipitate, liquid, solid or gas. Very simple question. What is the physical state of nitrogen gas when it is escaping in the disonium reaction? Yes, gas is the correct answer here. Gas form it is escaped. Yes, all of you are correct here. Let's move to the next question. Aromatic disonium salts are stable at dash temperature. So you have to tell it is stable at which temperature? Cold temperature, room temperature, warm temperature or high temperature. So you should know it is at 273 Kelvin it is stable. Okay, and 273 Kelvin means 0 degree Celsius. So which type of temperature is it? Yes, what will be the answer in this question? Yes, Pradeep has given correct answer. It is cold temperature. Option number A is the correct answer here. Okay. Next, move to the question number 27. What is the most suitable temperature for the diazotization reaction to take place? Very similar question. What is the most suitable temperature for the diazotization reaction to take place? It is 0 to 8 degrees Celsius, 12 degrees Celsius, 22 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Celsius. So which one will be the correct answer here? Let me see who is able to answer this one. Yes, 27A is the correct answer. Aryan, Radhika, Lakshmi, Pradeep, Gauri, Sanjana, all of you are correct. Let's next question. During the acylation of an aliphatic primary amine, which of the following is replaced by an acyl group? During the acylation of an aliphatic primary amine, which of the following is replaced by an acyl group? Okay, so like you have an aliphatic amine, okay, and you are converting it to acyl group. Then what exactly is replaced here? Is it NH2 group? Is it one hydrogen of NH2 group? Both the hydrogens of NH2 group, alkyl groups of the amine? No, A is not the correct answer. One hydrogen of amine. See, you can see here RNH2, right? Now when you do acylation, you get RNHCO CH3. So what exactly you are doing? You are replacing one hydrogen with the acyl group. So that is option number B. Okay. Yes, all of you are correct here. 25th. Which of the following groups when present at para position will increase the basic strength of aniline? It will increase the basic strength. So always remember, for increasing of basic strength we need electron donating groups, right? So you have here NO2 group Br group, NH2 group and COOH group. So which of the following will increase the basic strength of aniline? Increase the basic strength. No. No. Radhika, you have given wrong answer here. Increase the basic strength. No. Madan is also wrong. Yes, NH2 group is correct. It is an electron donating group. So electron donating group will always increase the basicity, right? Yes, C is the correct answer here. Next question number 24. Consider three gases, alkyl amines A, B and C, or 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree respectively. So it is like A, B and C. It is 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree respectively. What will be the correct order of their basicity? Okay, so it is asked in the gaseous phase. So in the gaseous phase, what is the correct order of the basicity? So you have A greater than B greater than C, or C greater than B greater than A, or B greater than A greater than C, or B, C, A. What is the correct order? Okay, Manthan, sorry for pronouncing your wrong answer, your name wrongly. 24B is the correct answer. Gaseous phase, CBA, option number this one. Okay, Radhika has a doubt here. Bromine is also electron withdrawing group. Bromine has -I effect. Okay, although it is like electron donating, but its -I effect is more efficient. Okay. Next question number 23. Which of the following is not produced on the reaction of methyl ammonium chloride with sodium hydroxide? Which is not produced? You have methyl ammonium chloride, you are reacting it with NaOH. So what is not produced in this case? Options are HCl, CH3NH2, H2O and NaCl. Okay, let me see who is answering this one. Yes, what will be the answer here? 23, H2O. No. Anisha, you have given wrong answer. See, what is the product? See, remember, here what happens, from NH4 it will become NH2. Okay, so it becomes CH3NH2. Next, here one Na is there. Okay, so it is NH3, sorry, NH3 plus and Cl minus. Now see what happens, it will become NH2. One H is there, one H and this OH will give you water, and then this Na and Cl will give you NaCl. So what is not produced here is HCl, option number A. Okay, HCl is the correct answer. Next question number 22. What is the product formed when ethanamine reacts with HBr? When you have ethanamine reacting with HBr. Yes. What is the product formed in this case? Lakshmi, definitely I will provide you the list of that. Okay. 22. All of you are answering C. I don't think the correct answer is C here. See, this one will attack on this one, right? So what we will get? CH3, CH2, NH2, okay, NH3 plus and Br minus, right? So after that when you treat it with so this is your option number B. After that when you treat it with NaOH, okay, you will get the product, that is CH3 CH2 NH2, and you will get NaBr and water. So the answer here is option number B. No, no, Anisha, no. No, 22 question, all of you have given wrong answer. Please correct it. See, this one will form. After that, if I treat it with this one, I will get okay. One second. Sorry. When ethanamine reacts with HBr. Okay. Sorry, you all are correct. I got wrong, confused here. Yes, it is correct. That is CH3 CH2 NHBr. Yes, students, that is correct. C is the correct answer. Okay. Sorry, I little got confused. C is the correct answer. Okay. Yes. Let's move to the next question, 21. Which of the following is associated with the decrease in pKb value of the amines? Decrease in the pKb value of the amines. Increase in acidic strength, increase in basic strength, better proton donor, or better electron acceptor. Sudhashri, today you will get a video on that. It will be released at 9 PM. You can just subscribe and click on the notification button. We will be coming up with a video on the last 30 days strategy very soon. Today at 9 PM you will be getting, okay, 9 PM or 8 PM. Decrease in pKb value. Decrease in pKb value means increase in basic strength. Option number B. Yes, all are correct here. Question number 20. Amines are generally dash in nature. Yes, all of you are correct. What is amines generally? Amines are generally electrophilic in nature, acidic in nature, basic in nature, or neutral in nature. What is the nature of amines? Yes. C. Yes, all of you are correct. Basic in nature. Yes. Okay. Fine. Next, coming to question number 19. If A is the boiling point of propanamine and B is the boiling point of butanamine. So A is there, B is there, boiling points. This is propanamine and this is butanamine. Then what is the correct relation between two? What is the correct relation between A and B? Yes, can you tell which one will be higher? Okay, Pradeep, definitely we will make on video before 1st of April, right? Okay. Yes, B will be greater than A. We know that more is the mass. Boiling point is directly proportional to mass, right? Here the mass of butanamine will be more, so its boiling point will be more. B will be greater than A. Next, question number 18. The intermolecular hydrogen bonds, if any, in amines is formed between what? So if we are talking about the intermolecular hydrogen bonding, if it is there, we are telling if it is there in amines, then it is between what? This is very, very important and tricky question. So is it between NH and NH, or is it between N and NH, alkyl carbon and NH, alkyl hydrogen and NH? Let me know who is answering the correct question for this one. Sorry, who is answering the correct answer for this question. Okay. Yes, Aryan, there will be series for Comet K as well. Very soon it will be there. 18C. No. All of you who are saying 18 is wrong. See, you have one R NH2. Okay. and you have so there is a hydrogen bonding here. Okay, there is a hydrogen bonding here. So what is this hydrogen bonding? Between N and H of what? H of nitrogen. Between N and H of nitrogen. So I can say between N and NH. Option number B is the correct answer. C is wrong. Alkyl carbon is not at all involved. Alkyl carbon is not at all involved in hydrogen bonding. This is completely wrong, students. You see, intermolecular means what? Between two molecules. If I draw like this, RNH2H2, just I am doing like this. Okay, so here there will be a hydrogen bonding. This is what? Between the nitrogen and the hydrogen of nitrogen. Okay, so that is 18B. So please correct this one. All of you have given wrong answer in this question. Okay, next question number 17. What is the characteristic order of relatively lower aliphatic amines? What is the order? Means smell of the lower aliphatic amines. Fruity odor, fishy odor, rotten egg smell, or odorless? Yes, Pradeep, it is a confusing question and very important question as well. Okay. Okay, this question can you answer? Yes, fishy odor is the correct answer. Fishy odor is the correct answer. 16th, which of the following amines is not a gas? Yes, this is also a very important question. Which of the following amines is not a gas? So, if it is having more molecular weight, then it will not be in the form of gas. It will be in the form of liquid or solid. If it is having less molecular mass, then it will be in the form of gas. Okay, so which of the following here is not a gas? This is very easy question. So you should know that more mass, if it is having more mass, then it can be solid or liquid. If it is less mass, then it has to be gas. Right? Yes, trimethylamine, it is having more mass, so it will be solid or liquid. It is actually in liquid state. Okay. Next, 15th question. Which of the following steps is not present in Gabriel thalamide synthesis? Which of the following steps is not present in Gabriel thalamide synthesis? Treating of thalamide with alcoholic KOH. Okay. Then heating potassium thalamide with alkyl halide, alkaline hydrolysis of N-alkyl thalamide, heating phthalic acid with NaOH. Yes, which of the following is not a method in the Gabriel thalamide synthesis? Okay, just a minute, students. Yes, tell me the answer for this one. Yes, heating in presence of NaOH is the correct answer. Okay, next question. Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction is used for preparing dash amines. What type of amines can be prepared from Hoffman bromamide degradation? If you remember, Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction we have discussed so many times, right? So it is primary, secondary, tertiary or mixed amines. It is used for preparing dash amines, primary, secondary, tertiary or mixed amines. Yes, students, let's move. Now, the last 14 questions we have, we'll do it quickly. Okay. Yes, A is the correct answer, primary amines. Okay. Next, which of the following is not a byproduct of Hoffman bromamide degradation of acetamide with alcoholic KOH? Which of the following is not a byproduct of Hoffman bromamide degradation, okay, with of acetamide? So that means CH3CONH2 is there, okay, is not a byproduct of Hoffman bromamide degradation of acetamide with alcoholic KOH. Yes, KCN is the correct answer. All of you are correct here. 12th question. Okay. Ethyl dimethyl amine is obtained from the reduction of dash with lithium aluminium hydride. Okay. So you want ethyl dimethyl amine, means you have CH3, CH3, okay. Ethyl dimethyl amine is obtained from the reduction of dash with LiAlH4. Acetamide, benzamide, N-methyl acetamide or NN dimethyl acetamide. Acetamide, if you treat, will you get this much complex compound? No. Gauri and Amit, you are wrong here. Yes, Radhika is correct. 12, option number D. See, NN dimethyl acetamide, that means you have CH3, C double bond O, CH3 and CH3. Okay. Now, if you treat it with lithium aluminium hydride, this will get converted to CH2. Okay, so that is your product here. Yes, D is the correct answer. 11th question. The product obtained when the following compound undergoes ammonolysis in a sealed tube at 373 Kelvin with iodomethane. Okay. So you have this following compound, and when the following compound undergoes ammonolysis reaction, okay, in a sealed tube at 373 Kelvin with iodomethane. So this is treated with iodomethane. So what will be the product formed here? Yes. Yes, C is the correct answer here. C is the correct answer. See how the reaction will take place. You have CH3 whole 3N, okay, it is reacting with CH3I. So this one will attack here. So what I will get? CH3 whole 3N CH3I, right? So that is what? Tetramethyl ammonium iodide. C is the correct answer, dear. C is the correct answer. Here you will get tetramethyl ammonium iodide. Okay. Next, question number 11, 10th question. Ammonolysis is a type of dash type of reaction. Ammonolysis, we have discussed this in the starting. Yes, ammonolysis is what type of reaction? Electrophilic addition, electrophilic substitution, nucleophilic addition and nucleophilic substitution reaction. What type of reaction is this one? Yes, nucleophilic substitution reaction is the correct answer here. 9th question, what compound is formed when hydrogen gas is passed through nitrobenzene in the presence of finely divided nickel? So if you have nitrobenzene and you give it with hydrogen in presence of nickel, so what product will be formed here? Yes, what product will be formed here? Very easy question, this one we have discussed in the starting of the session as well. Yes, students, quickly answer this one. Last 9 questions to go. Yes, aniline is the correct answer. Radhika is correct here. Next question. Which of the following reagents cannot be used to convert nitrobenzene to aniline? This question also we have discussed. Which of the following cannot be used to convert nitrobenzene to aniline? Similar question we have discussed in the starting of the session. Yes, all of you are correct. 9D is the correct answer. Answer this question now. You have LiLH4, SnHCl, H2 palladium and FeHCl. 8A. Yes, very good, Aryan. We have discussed this question in the starting. This one cannot be used. Next, 7th question. What is the correct common name of the given compound? Common name. Common name of the given compound. This is also used in coordination chemistry as a ligand, very famous didentate ligand. What is the name of that? Yes, what is the common name of this compound, students? No, Aryan is correct again. Ethylene diamine is the correct answer. Okay. Next, which of the following is the IUPAC name of the compound in which one hydrogen of ammonia is replaced by an ethyl group? So you have like this, ammonia has 3 hydrogens, right? So one of the hydrogen is replaced with ethyl group. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? Remember, you have to tell the IUPAC name. Yes, students, tell me what will be the answer for this question. Yes, IUPAC name. IUPAC name is asked. Ethylamine is not the IUPAC name. Students, IUPAC name. No, A is not the correct answer. Yes, Radhika is correct. Ethanamine, C is the correct answer. IUPAC name is asked. Next, which of the following is a secondary amine? This is also very easy question. Secondary amine, you know, 2 hydrogens of nitrogen should be replaced, right? Yes, what is the correct answer here? Which of the following is a secondary amine? CH3, CH2, NH, CH3, CH3 whole 3, N, and you have here. So you can see here one of the hydrogen is only replaced. So this is secondary amine. Correct answer is option number A. Okay. 5A. Pradeep is correct. Aryan is correct. Next, when 2 alkyl groups are attached to the nitrogen atom in an amine, it is known as dash amine. You have 2 alkyl groups attached to the nitrogen of an amine. So you have like when 2 alkyl groups are attached to the nitrogen atom in an amine, then it is known as what? 2 alkyl groups are attached. Very simple question, easy question as well. Yes, B is the correct answer, secondary amine. Next, 3rd question, if we move. Yes, what is the expected geometry of NHCH3 NHCH3? What is the expected geometry? Yes, students, what will be the expected geometry here? You have N, okay, you have CH3, H, CH3, and this one. What is the expected geometry? Yes, pyramidal is the correct answer. Okay, so actually it is tetrahedral, the shape is, geometry is tetrahedral, but due to lone pair there will be some repulsion, these angles will come together and it will give you pyramidal. Next question, if we move, how many lone pairs of electron does the nitrogen atoms of tertiary amines have? How many lone pairs of electron does the nitrogen atom of tertiary amines have? How many lone pairs they have, students? Very simple and easy question. Yes. How many lone pairs are there? Is it 0? Is it 1? Is it 2 or is it 3? Can you answer? Let me see who is answering first in this. Yes, C. No, no, no. No, Aryan. It is wrong. Tertiary amines, right? Whether it is tertiary, primary, secondary, doesn't matter. Nitrogen will always have one lone pair. Okay, B is the correct answer here. Yes, B is the correct answer. Now coming to the last question of today's class. Last question. Which of the following is not an amine? This is so good question. Yes. Which of the following is not an amine? Tell me. This is such a basic question, you should be knowing, right? Which of the following is not an amine group? Very, very basic and interesting question as well. You should be studying amines and all the chapter is done, but and if you are not able to answer what is an amine, then yes, A is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. This is primary amine, this is primary amine, and this is secondary amine. Okay. So students, I have something very special news for all of you. Sorry, one second. Okay. Fine. So students, there is something very, very important for you. So please join live, okay, at 10 AM, and we are going to come with like Monday 10 AM, okay, we are going to come up with something very, very important, interesting, and a big surprise for all of you. So morning, not 10 AM, sorry, I got the wrong time, 11 AM, okay. So on 3rd of February at 11 AM, we all teachers will come live and will give you a surprise. So please all of you join us live at 11 AM on Monday, okay. So very, very important, and I hope all the teachers, okay, Pradeep has got 64 out of 71, okay. In the main comment section, please put down your scores, and remember, I have something very, very special. We all teachers of Deeksha are going to come up with something very important, surprising, useful, interesting, everything is there on Monday 11 AM. So please join live, okay. Yes, so Sanjana, please join live 11 AM. All of you, do not forget, subscribe the channel, you will get a notification for that, okay. So yes, please remember the date and time, Monday, that is 3rd February 11 AM. Something big, important that you have been asking for a long time. We are bringing a very important something for you. We will be telling you on that day only. So but remember that you can do it, okay. Yes, thank you everyone, and one more game we'll play. You can put your guesses what it could be on 3rd of February. What it could be, what we would have brought for you. Let me see whose guess is correct. Can we give you some guesses here, students? Quick guesses, can you give me? My phone charge is less, so yes, students, can anyone guess me? Just give like any quick guesses that you can make. Something really important and as well as very big, and I can say something you have been asking for a long time. Anisha, it is obviously something new series, but regarding what? Okay, Sanjana, KCET course, something related to KCET, start class for KCET. Okay, so students, you can put down your comments in the main comment section of this video, and we will reveal on Monday which student has given the correct answer. Okay, so yesterday's in Jasmine ma'am's class, today's class, and one more important thing, tomorrow also Somik sir will be taking your physics live class. Okay, so stay tuned at 6 PM and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Something big is coming, so also stay tuned on Monday 11 AM sharp. Very, very important thing. Okay, fine, that's all students, and see you soon in the next class. We will be doing the biomolecules chapter on Tuesday. Okay, okay. So I also put this in the main comment section, students. I will be reading those. At that day I will be putting all these comments and I will be telling you which student has given me the correct guess. Okay, next lesson is biomolecules, Shaukat Ali. Fine students, that's all. Bye bye, take care, and at 9 p.m. today I'll be coming up with the 30-day strategy video, and we'll also be having something very special video on at 8 p.m. So please do not forget to see these videos, and thank you so much for your love and all. And anything else do you require for your PU2 preparation, do let me know in the comment section. I will definitely do it. Okay, that's all. Bye bye students.